Welcome back, and if this is your first time here, my name's Timo, and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to talk about how to get more leads for your service-based business. In this case, it's solar panels. We also do painting on this channel. We're going to go over a short-term strategy that I use, and also the best long-term strategy that I also use, as well as 3 or 4 more other strategies. And if you haven't got started yet cleaning solar panels, but you're thinking about starting as a side business, but you're not sure what to charge, top link in the description will be my pricing guide. And if you need help getting more leads, check out that second link, because that'll be the Facebook marketing strategy that I use to this day to get jobs just like this. So number 1 short-term strategy is yard signs. Now they work. I'll go over the pros and cons. Pros, they are easy to put out, and people will call. They do work. They absolutely work. The cons on them, though, kind of outweigh a lot of the pros, but I will say this: if you got more time than money, going out and putting up these yard signs is definitely worth your time, because you will get calls, and it's a good way to get started in your area. The cons are they can be a little pricey, and the reason that sucks is because competitors can yank them up. The thing is, like, strength in numbers. So really, for them to be super effective, to keep the phone ringing every single day, you're gonna have to have quite a bit of them. And then some of them, you don't know that. I mean, quite frankly, you could put one in today, and by tomorrow it could be pulled up, even tonight. Number 2 is the second best lead source for long-term strategy, and that's a Google My Business. Get a Google My Business set up and make sure you get that optimized. What is cool about the Google My Business is it really gets you into your area, because most people will search, solar panel cleaning near me, and you want to be able to rank proximity based. So basically, it's good to get started and break out in your immediate area. Number 3 will be websites. Websites a good way to get going too, because once you get the short-term strategy with the yard signs, and you got your Google My Business, it definitely helps to have a website, look professional, a place where you can put some before and after pictures up, maybe get some forms filled out, even take estimates there. Website's always good, because people always want to click off and see if you're taking the time to do that. I think a website is probably 3rd best. Definitely something you want to have, even if it's one of the cheap $25 sites if you can't afford it at first. But also, Facebook is a great way to get started. It's kind of like you can make a free website on Facebook. Basically, it's just Facebook ads, and obviously, once you get those optimized, you can have the phone ring every day. Nextdoor, social app, and that's free advertising. Free advertising with Instagram, Nextdoor, and Facebook. Nextdoor, sometimes they'll take your ad down, but that's okay. You just keep doing it. Also, that leads us into flyers and door hangers, which, again, if you're just getting started out, you got more time than money. Print up these flyers, go door to door, put them on car doors. Just put the leather to the pavement, as I guess they say, the rubber to the road. Get out there, put the time in, because they work. All these methods work to getting more leads. Some of them take more time to get set up to where they're working and the phone's constantly ringing. But obviously, you want to use the Chevrolet legs tactic, I like to call it, and that's in the very beginning when you're not sure and you don't have a lot of budget to do advertising. Get out there and get them flyers door to door and knocking on doors. But easier ways like Facebook, and if you need help with Facebook getting it all dialed in to where it actually works, click that second link in the description. And if you want to get your own pricing guide, click the top link in the description. All right, hey, thanks for watching the video. I'll see you guys in the next one. If there's any value in this video, give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button if you want more, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.